Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. So this is the re-recording of what I've already done on our Telegram channel. Reason for that is that I forgot to record the session for someone who was maybe busy or who could not attend. Okay. So I'm doing this for the sake of recording. So I've already sent my watch list on our Telegram channel. If ever you need to join me or to be part of that channel or part of that Telegram channel, you can check on the description there. There is a link to that. Okay. That channel is for free signals. You don't pay anything. Okay. So do not worry about anything. You can just join. If you're not interested, you can just skip. No problem. Okay. Okay. So this week, what we only have Volatility 10 index on our watch list. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to analyze it the best way I can and try to make sure that everyone who will be watching this video understands the points that I'm trying to make. And guys, to whoever that will be watching this video, whatever that I'm going to teach you here, you are the one in charge of your money. Whatever decision that you decide to make, it's up to you. I cannot be held responsible for whatever choices or whatever decisions that you'll be making after watching this video or while watching this video. Okay, this is trading, guys. Make sure that you do not borrow money or do anything stupid, because I know that we all want money, but then this is Forex, guys. You make money, you lose money in trading. Okay, so this is what is happening there on our list, on our Volatility 10 index. Right now we are on our weekly time frame, or on our weekly candlestick. I mean. So what is happening there? What we normally do, we analyze our market from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. The higher or the highest time frame that I go is weekly time frame, and the lowest time frame that I go about is M15 or 15 minutes time frame, and then in between I only skip 30 minutes time frame. This time frame here, I normally skip it. There is no need for you to ask me why. That's just my choice and my strategy. Okay, so the strategy that I'm using here is the very same strategy that I'll be using to give you the signals. So that, because normally I'm normally busy because there is other project that I'm busy with. So what you need to do, you need to be able to know or to expect signals just through looking at the charts daily. Like every day you can just open I don't know if you're using a laptop or a computer or maybe a tablet, whatever that you'll be using. You can just check on your daily candlestick how it performed yesterday. And then from there, you would know that, you know what, when it is like this, I must expect a signal today. Okay. But however, I will try by all means that every day I tell you whether we can expect a signal for that day or not. Okay, but if not, then you should be able to know. All right, this is what is happening, guys. This is what happened last week. This is the candlestick that opened last week, Sunday, at 2 a.m. according to South African time, at 2 a.m. This is the candlestick that opened last week. It opened right there, as you can see. Okay, it opened right there. Okay, right there. And then where it closed above the opening price of that other week's candlestick. You know what that means? That means last week engulfed that other week. As you can see, it engulfed it. And by the way, again, on that engulfment, you can see that actually it happened at the right zone because it is around the support area. Okay, so where is my support area? Let me put it. I don't know if I can find it. Okay, this is how it all happened. Yeah, this is how it all happened. The whole of this area, the whole of this zone, this is my support zone. Whenever the market is at this area, I cannot consider selling because it might go up at any time. At any time, guys, it might go up. Which is why last week I did not say I'm expecting a sell on this one. Why? Because it was already in there. It was already in the buying zone or support area. Okay. So that's what happened. So this week we're expecting a buy. Why? As you can see, it went all up. It came out of that zone, meaning that we can expect a buy now. Okay. With that buy, we need, all right, yeah, we can expect a buy now according to our weekly time frame. But however, we cannot, and always remember that we cannot use our weekly time frame as an entrance time frame or as an execution time frame. You can do that if you are using other strategy or a different strategy. But according to the strategy that I'm using, you cannot do that. Okay. So you need to go down with your time frame. Which time frame is below weekly time frame? Daily candlestick or a daily time frame. What does our daily time frame say? Remember, whenever you analyze the market, you make sure that you analyze the previous candlestick, not the one that is currently running. You analyze the previous to predict what's going to happen today or maybe tomorrow. Okay. So analyzing this, as you can see right there, this is our previous candlestick on our daily time frame. What do you see there? What can you say about this candlestick? And always remember, what are we expecting on volatility 10 index this week? We're expecting a buy opportunity. So whenever the market goes down, we do not need to consider selling, because that's not our expectations for this week. That's not what our analysis is saying. By saying that volatility 10, we're expecting a buy opportunity. That means we will not sell. Okay, even if things have changed, but then we do not want to do that, because we are trying to follow the trend. Trying to follow the trend, guys. Okay, so that's what is happening there. So looking at this candlestick, you can see that it opened right there. It opened right there, and then it closed down there. That means the sellers were in control. But then looking at the body again, the body of the candlestick is very small, meaning that we cannot say otherwise. So anything can happen there. All right. I'll be fast now, because I think there is a noise that is coming outside. I don't know what is happening there, but then it's fine. Okay. So let us go down with our time frame. This is our H4 time frame. Again, we analyze the previous candlestick. What is it saying? What is our previous candlestick saying? Our H4? It is saying that the buyers were in control. But then, can we consider buying now? We cannot. Why? Because our daily candlestick is not in agreement with us. So we cannot. I'm just analyzing my H4 for the sake of analyzing, so that everyone will understand that. Okay. So our H4 is fine. Let us go down with our H1. This is our H1. What happened previously on our H1? Or on our previous hour? This is what happened. The market opened right there, and then it closed just a little bit above the opening price, meaning that there was no much action that happened there. So anything can happen. So if my daily candlestick and my 4-hourly time frame was in alignment with my weekly time frame, I would not consider buying on this one. Why? Because my previous H1 is saying otherwise. Now let us go to the last one, which is our M15 time frame. Our M15 time frame, we use it for execution. If everything is in alignment and our M15 also says that yes, I am in, then we can consider buying if ever that happens. But then according to what we are seeing right now is that according to our previous candlestick, you can see what happened there. It opened right there, and then it closed a little bit above. So there is a war that is happening there, meaning that anything can happen. And also don't forget about this level here, the horizontal line. This will act as a resistance point or resistance level, meaning that the market might go there and touch this level and then go down. So you do not want to consider buying on a position like this unless this level is been broken. Otherwise, you're gonna lose money. So you don't want that. So even our M15 is also saying otherwise, in according to the strategy that I'm using. I know there are many strategies that people use. You just need to find that one strategy that you're gonna use, and then you're gonna try and fix it, work on it. I know many people. We have many people with many strategies. You can see my chart is clean. Some other people, you're going to see that it is dirty. There are indicators, there are this and that. Not that I'm against that. I'm against the indicators and all those kind of things. Not that I'm against that. It's just that the strategy that I'm using, according to me, it does not require indicators. I work on candlesticks only. You need to understand the language of the candlestick. If you understand those, then you'll be fine according to me. But then if ever you understand the indicators and all those, then it is still fine, guys. Because the aim here is to make money. We don't care how you make that money. As long as you get the money from the market, then it is fine. Okay, so that is it for this week, guys. So thank you guys. Thank you guys very much. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Enjoy your evening if you're gonna be watching this on the evening. If ever not, wherever you are, enjoy your day or enjoy your morning or maybe enjoy your night, guys. Thank you.